You searched how to buy shares of Apple Hospitality REIT Inc., a real estate investment trust that owns and operates hotels. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker APLE, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker APLE. Then select the matching Apple Hospitality REIT Inc. listing to open its stock page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Make sure the company name, ticker APLE, and the exchange NASDAQ match. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once filled, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform.